Hey, it's BrickTsar.
And they might be bricks.
It's time for BrickTsar Answer Thingy.
AKA Bat.
Bat number 12. And we have a question from, who is it from?
Classy Bricks.
Classy Bricks.
And he says, whoa, you got 799 videos. And he also has a question. Which set do you regret selling the most?
Which set do I regret selling the most? Which set do you regret me selling the most?
I don't like you selling all my favorite sets, like Indiana Jones or Star Wars or stuff like that.
Can you name one that I've sold?
Oh, what about the soccer stadium that I've always wanted to build that you just sold out of nowhere? That was a while back, but...
Yeah.
I wanted to build that, and I kept telling you.
Yeah, the soccer set, that's not... That one's definitely not the one I regret selling. But you didn't, like you said, the Indiana Jones set. We still have all the good ones.
Yeah, we got the minecart one.
We got the, and I still haven't reviewed those. But what about? Do you remember one that I have two? One I sent to Canada and one I sent to Hong Kong. It's probably between these two. Do you remember one that we had a problem when we moved it from upstairs to down here? It had a lot of moving parts. It had music. You don't remember?
The Hillside House?
No, the Hillside House doesn't have a lot of moving parts. It moved around.
The Ferris wheel? I think it's the carousel.
The carousel, the Grand Carousel. I sold the Grand Carousel.
I don't know why you said... What?
You didn't know I sold it?
Why did you do that?
I sold it a long time ago.
Oh my gosh,
I actually
so crazy.
I had done a video of it. So I do have video, and I kind of try to re-edit it for this channel. But it wasn't as good as I would like. I sold it right after.
Why did you sell
You didn't even know
that?
I sold it.
Actually, I did. Oh my gosh.
Did you like that set?
I loved that
Are you
set.
upset now?
I'm super upset.
How come you don't?
Why did you
Where's
do
the Grand Carousel?
that? I thought you put it up somewhere.
So I sold that. It went to South Korea, which South Korea buys a lot of Lego.
I wanted to make like an amusement park on the white table with the Ferris wheel, the carousel, and then like...
So which are you more upset me selling, the Grand Carousel or the soccer set?
The carousel.
What about the Grand Carousel or the Eiffel Tower?
Oh, I forgot you sold the Eiffel Tower.
I sold the Eiffel Tower.
Oh my gosh.
So that was my two, was the Eiffel Tower and the Grand Carousel. I sold the Eiffel Tower to get, had bought the Connect Son of Serpent, which was $600. I sold the Eiffel Tower for about $800 and something. I think it was $850. And I sold the Grand Carousel for about the same. My only regret, really, with the Eiffel Tower is I didn't just part it out. I mean, I would have done all the pieces were still brand new. I probably still would have listed it as used because I had it displayed for a while. But I would have been better off selling it by the piece, and that is the whole set. But as far as sets that I like, it had to be the Grand Carousel. And he's really upset. I got it. It was a scratch and dent at the Lego store. I got it on sale. We built it. We had it upstairs on the dining room table, but I couldn't leave it there forever. We brought it down here. Man, that set was a pain to put because you can't move it. It's like you move it, all the mechanical parts get kind of out of whack. But
that was like the best set ever.
Thanks a lot, Classy Bricks. Now you got him all depressed. I didn't tell him I sold it. I sold it like over a year ago.
I'm not your son anymore.
So I think it's unanimous now. We'll say the Grand Carousel. That's the one we regret selling the most. Sorry. Are you going to be still mad at me in the next video?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Grand Carousel. I think that will be it. What was the set number? I forgot. But you know, it's the Grand Carousel. The one that actually moved. The horses went up and down. Had a ton of minifigures.
Don't mention it. I love that set.
So sorry. Good question, Classy Bricks.
Oh, wait. No, wait. Never mind.
You can end it.